I'm ready. Welcome to All About Birds. This is a brand new store, and we'd like to introduce ourselves and what's happening here at All About Birds.
I'm Sharon.
I'm Candace. Sorry.
It's okay.
Birds, it's a brand new store, and we are so excited to have it open finally, and we want you to come visit us. Toys, Busy Bee,
Mr.
Toys.
P's gift shop. Mr. P's resale shop we have.
So please come by and visit us. We're local and we're here to serve the local parrot lovers.
Oh, Lord, help
No
us.
talking.
Okay.
So grown up.
We are so grown up.
Quiet on set.
Quiet on set. Take 5.
552. And action.
Those 5 takes ago?